Got Arabis here right now. We want to be safe. A lot of people here. Yeah, it's the public. We're in the public. This is gridlock. Don't be the person blocking. Hey guys, how are you? Let's talk about railroad safety. What do you do in a railroad? Well, let's talk about making a right turn. Coming up, I'm checking traffic. Go ahead, get started. Put us in drive, please. We're on our mock road test today. Okay, we got a driver up there who's got pulled over. Turn in reverse, roll straight back. Good, turn the wheel all the way to the right. First, cut the wheel all the way to the right, 45 angle. Nice job. Good. Turn the wheel all the way. Nice. First, roll straight back. Good. Slow. Cut it all the way to the right. Back. Good. Roll straight back. Cut it all the way. I'll do this parallel park. Good. Gonna turn the wheel back. Student on the expressway, maintain a pretty good speed control. You want to think on the expressway, you want to look ahead around the curve. Yeah. You have Chevron triple moment. We got a semi truck coming. Amazon Prime. Go ahead, pick in the lane, merging out. You as a driver, don't stare at the traffic. See people are driving. You want to maintain a safe speed limit on your DMV test or on the expressway. You want to get over one lane to the right. Nice lane change. Mirror off the curve. Centrifugal force is pulling us out to the left. You go left turn. We're in the inside lane. You must stay in your proper lane. J turn, you want to look at traffic. You always want to check cars. Acceleration ramp, getting on the expressway way. You always want to look. Nice, we're making a lane change to right, so it's mirror, turn signal, blind spot. Don't lose speed now on the curve because you need your speed to carry off the curve. Pavement markings for beginning drivers. We're on the expressway. We have a solid control, it's critical. A lot of beginning drivers have a difficult time. Expressway, can be very scary.